Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Ford Expedition key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program. Make sure all your vehicle's doors are completely closed. Next, insert an existing, working key into the ignition. Now, turn the key from the OFF position to the on position 8 times very quickly, within 10 seconds. This rapid turning motion is crucial for initiating the programming sequence. Once you've turned the key 8 times, the vehicle's door locks will cycle, meaning they will lock and then unlock. This sound confirms that your Ford Expedition has successfully entered programming mode. You'll have a window of about 20 seconds to program all your key fobs. It's important to keep the key in the ignition during this entire process to maintain the programming mode. Now, with the vehicle in programming mode, take your first key fob. Press any button on it, like the lock or unlock button. The door locks will cycle once more, confirming that this specific key fob has been successfully programmed. Immediately repeat this exact step for any other key fobs you need to program. Remember, you must complete programming all fobs within that initial 20-second window. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position. You can then remove the key from the ignition. It's a good idea to immediately test all the key fobs you just programmed. Walk around your Ford Expedition and check that the lock, unlock, and any other buttons, like the panic button, are working correctly on each fob. Congratulations, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.